Hello, and welcome. If you're looking to enhance your website's SEO, you're in the right place. With the VEVS website builder, SEO management is both powerful and straightforward. Our platform gives you extensive control over a variety of SEO aspects, allowing you to optimize your website effectively. With VEVS, you can easily manage the URLs of your pages, their meta tags and canonical tags, and even the robots, .txt, and sitemap files. You'll also have control over key on-page SEO elements such as heading tags, H1, H2, etc., image alt tags, and file names, all critical for improving your site's search engine ranking. To make things even more convenient, we've organized these search engine optimization controls throughout our system. You can access them directly while creating or editing pages. Plus, there's a dedicated SEO section in the website menu that brings most of these tools together in one place for quick access. For instance, managing meta tags has never been easier. You can view a complete list of your web pages and effortlessly add, edit, or manage page titles, meta descriptions, and meta keyword tags for each page. This can be done either through the page settings in the website editor or via the SEO section. Another powerful tool at your disposal is the ability to manage your page's URLs and include target keywords in them. You can define how the links to your pages appear directly from the page settings. If you need to change a URL after a page has been indexed by search engines, our URL redirection tool allows you to set up 301 or 302 redirects from the old URL to the new one. We recommend using a 301 redirect to move from one URL to another while maintaining the same or similar content on the page to keep its SERP rankings. Additionally, you can manage canonical tags, which are crucial for avoiding duplicate content issues. You can also fully control your robots.txt file, guiding search engines on how to interact with your site. Our system can automatically generate a sitemap for you, ensuring that all your web pages are correctly indexed. Alternatively, you can upload your own sitemap if you prefer. When editing page content, you can specify heading tags, H1, H2, H3, etc., to create a clear and search engine-friendly page structure. Moreover, you can set alt and title attributes and manage the file name for each image on your website, which significantly boosts your SEO when done correctly. We highly recommend using relevant target keywords in your H tags, alt tags, image titles, and file names to strengthen your SEO when appropriate. Beyond these on-page SEO features, our website builder is designed to meet modern SEO standards. We use clean HTML code, minified CSS, and optimized URL structures, all of which contribute to better on-page SEO for your site. Of course, if you ever need assistance with your search engine optimization or anything else related to your website, don't hesitate to reach out to the VEVS team. We're here to help you get the most out of our software.